Captain, we spotted an enormous giganto in the southeastern part of the city. It looks for...
I'm glad you made it back safe, Alvin. This city is still too dangerous. Let's avoid the southeast and keep exploring other areas.
That reminds me. I found a troop trapped by mutants. They lost their home too.
Ape kind must unite to survive. Lead the way, Alvin. Let's rescue some monkeys!
Ah! Curse these mutants! We're surrounded! Help! Help!
Prepare for action, troops! Rescue all survivors!
I had met other survivors in this ruined city before getting trapped, but we were separated by roving mutants.
Our troops will be much stronger if we take them in.
This is valuable intel. There are other survivors waiting to be rescued.
Captain, this is where I met other survivors. They must have been trapped here for days.
Let's get to them quickly.
Thank goodness. It's Sir Francis. Didn't think we'd meet again. Did you come to save us?
You should thank this captain. He saved us.
Don't mention it. We apes gotta stick together in these hard times.
Thank you, Captain. Oh, I, left something in the ruins. It's very important to me. Will you help me find it? I'm so relieved. My friend would be too. Kind Captain. You'll do great things.
You really don't look well. Please, rest so you can recover. Oh. These mutations can happen any time. We were too late.
I can't count how many monkeys I've seen lost to mutation. The pain and resentment in their faces.
We are constantly exposed to radiation. Who knows who'll mutate next? It could be me. No, monkey!
Only the spectrometer can save us from radiation and mutations. We have to act fast. Many of our troops are injured. We'll have to treat them as soon as possible, as injury increases the risk of mutation.
Captain, we can build a medical station dedicated to treating wounded monkeys. We'll be able to heal wounded troops in the medical station. They'll be back in action in no time.
I'm relieved to see our wounded troops regain their health.
Here's the medical station. Wounded soldiers will be sent here. Note that only the seriously wounded monkeys need to be treated. Those who are only lightly wounded will automatically recover when they return to the city. We must also pay attention to the medical station's max capacity. If the number of seriously wounded troops exceeds the capacity, they will be lost.